4 pipes, 4 diameters, the long one, the smallest. Five screws, 4 big and 1 small. 4 bearings, 22 millimeters. A glue, metal plastic, apart from a selfie stick, the head of the selfie stick, three stoppers, 1, 2, this is the third stopper, and a wooden driller, 22 millimeters wooden driller. For the biggest pipes you must make holes, and you must make 4 holes. Two for the bearings and 2 for the screws. Here with the big one, you must do 2 big holes for the bearings and 2 small ones for the handle, because this is the beginning of the handle. For the bearings you'll use this wooden driller, 22 millimeters, same diameter like the bearings. First, attach the head of the selfie stick to the stopper. Then take the elbow and the small pipe, like this, and this piece will be the handle. Use the glue now to put the bearings in the holes and let it dry 24 hours. This is the final form of the gimbal. To use it, you must put cement and sand, because it must have a weight approximately
2 kilos.
When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubting out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubters all the night, and out to them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Ignite. Play the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you instead of wishing. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubting out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubting out, you don't condone it. Truth be told.